Hello everyone, welcome back to another video.
Today we have a big package of art supplies.
I'm really excited. Should we open it now?
Of course, let's see what's inside.
Wow, what's our first product?
This is an 80 color acrylic pen marker set.
80 colors, that's a lot. Who can use these markers?
Anyone can use them, beginner, student, artist and even kids with adult help.
Can we use them only on paper?
No, we can use them on wood, glass, rock, fabric, ceramic and many other surfaces.
That's really nice. Which features do you like the most?
I like that it has many color and two different tips for drawing.
I can't wait to see these colors on paper. So now we have waterproof paper. What is special about this one?
This paper is made from 100% cotton.
Why is cotton paper better?
It holds more water and give better painting result.
This case looks cool. What's inside?
This is a 33-piece sketching kit.
What do we get in this kit?
We get drawing pencil, charcoal pencil, blending tools and eraser, a sharpener and more.
So we don't need to buy everything separately.
Exactly, everything come in one case.
I like how everything is neat and easy to carry.
Yes, it's great for school, college or travel.
Great. also see 300 GSM written here. What does that mean?
It means the paper is thick, it does not bend easily when we paint.
How many sheets are inside?
There are 40 sheets.
And here's our last product.
This is another watercolor paper.
How is it different from the first one?
This one has 25% cotton. It is A5 size and come with 24 sheets.
So, who should buy this one?
I think it's good for practice and small paintings.
That's a good choice for beginner. So, which product is your favorite today?
My favorite is the acrylic pen and marker because of the many colors.
I like the sketching kit. Everything is in one box and it looks very useful.
We will use all these products in our next videos.
So, stay tuned if you want to see the result. If you enjoy this video,
Please give it a like.
and don't forget to subscribe.
Tell us in the comment which product you like the most.